Okay, time for a pool update. This morning we got up early and got started back. It's nice weather. God has given us some good cloud coverage this morning, and things are moving very quickly this week. We got, of course, all the liners in and all that, and now we're doing all the little other things that have to be done before the water can go in, which we're about to turn on. We got the steps down into the pool and this nice little rustic industrial handrail that we did last night. This right here is the framework for the walkway that goes over the spillway, and we've been Chris cut the boards for the deck on that, and I've been staining them this morning. They should be dry by tonight, and I'll be able to get them on there. And then let's see, you see that little light there behind me? Last night we got the pool lighting in, and then over there we've got a couple in there. So we'll have the LED lights underwater once everything's got water in it. And get out of here. I'm so ready for this place not to be a construction zone. It's a little messy right now. But we've got all the plumbing is hooked up. We got the wiring, the electrical hooked into our outside box and into over here. The pool lights will work off this little transformer that we put in, and can come on like at night and then go off after a certain amount of time. We've still got a little bit of trim work and shingling to do on top of the pump house, but everything down there looks like it's ready to go. We'll know here in a little while when we start getting some water in the pool and start running the pump so that the water can travel through to the regeneration side. So we are about to turn that on right now. I'm so excited about that. And like I say, things are going to be moving a lot more quickly this week, and so I'll put up some more updates.